What's up, everybody? Welcome back for another little episode. As you guys saw in the last video, I went down to Miami to go ahead and scoop up these tow arms for the 350Z. As many of you may know, if you've owned a Z or a G, it has a bucket spring type suspension with the shock bolted up here. But when I swapped out to true coilovers, that removes the spring from here. So now I can go ahead and take this bucket out and replace it with one of the adjustable tow arms. So that should complement the camber arms well, and I can go ahead and align it and get a good alignment on it. And then once I get some tires for those rears, we'll go ahead and start going to the track, because I miss driving this car, and it's fun. So pretty cool. A few things you're gonna need: impact, should always get it. Much easier to break things loose. 17mm socket. You got a 19mm wrench, 17mm wrench, mango white claw, Crocs, and chicken legs. So that's what we're gonna need to go ahead and do this. First things first, I'm gonna loosen this right here, and then go loosen that one on that side, and then this whole thing should just pop out. So I'm gonna try to find somewhere to set you guys up where you guys can somewhat see it. Okay. Oh wow, I thought I broke that shit, but the bolt is coming from this side. Wow. That was the first time for everything. That's funny. Well, alright, this shit's about to come out. So pretty simple, just those two bolts, or nuts and bolts right there, and we'll go ahead and pull this out. I'm probably gonna get a hammer to go ahead and knock that. Alright guys, so I got the bucket off. That's what it should look like when you pull it off. And now I'm going ahead and mocking this up. I gotta cut the zip tie over there, but it's pretty much one bolt right here and then one bolt down there. Pretty simple stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get that installed. All right guys, so I got this side knocked out already. I'm gonna go on the other side, set you guys up somewhere, take it off, and install the other one that I have right there, so you guys can see how easy it is to swap these arms out. Very important, you keep this washer and that nut and bolt. I don't know if you guys can see, but the bolt has a groove, and then that groove slides in over the washer just like that, so it sits perfect. So you must keep that. All right, we got this side out, and let's move to the other side. Alright, so we got this nut and bolt off. So now this whole bucket falls out. Now for the new one, I'm gonna go ahead and pretty much do the reverse. So once I got this one all put in here, pretty much run the bolt there, tighten it, and then we're gonna go ahead and run the bolt there. You're gonna want to keep that washer on this side, and then have the bolt come in from the back, and then tighten it up like that, and you're done. Once it's all tight, you're pretty much all set. So that's how easy it is. The camber arms are just as easy. So here's pretty much the finished product. Got that arm going across there. And then got this arm going across here. So hopefully that complements the camber arms that I'm getting very nicely. So when I go ahead and align it, I can pretty much zero out the camber and have as much tire as possible on the ground. So yeah, that should be fun. Quick and easy install. The camber arms are gonna be just as easy. So yeah, but I'll go ahead and insert those other clips. What up guys, back for another install. So I'm gonna combine the toe and camber arm videos, but I got these True Heart camber arms. $100. I mean, say what you want about them, eBay, oh they're garbage, whatever. A couple of my boys who actually drift their car told me they've hit curbs and these were the ones that never bent and they held up strong. I also asked a couple of the VQ people that I talked to, and they said they've had these on their car for years. It's just a camber adjustment, so I'm hoping that these plus the toe arms that I have do it a significant justice to dial in the camber and pretty much make it flush. I just want as much tire as I can on the ground, because granted I'm running stocks now, so traction is an issue. At least on a 20. A 40 roll, it's really not that bad. But like I said, regardless, once this is on, I'm gonna go ahead and line the car and then start taking it to the track. I would really want to run some times from a dig and see what I can go ahead and do. So yeah, so I'm gonna set you guys up somewhere and then we'll go ahead and get this install started. So I'm gonna set you guys up, take these off. Hopefully, with my luck, everything goes well. Alright guys, so what we're doing is we're gonna compare the stock arm to the original arm so that the camber is somewhat drivable, mount it to the car, and then I'll probably go ahead and get an alignment in the next couple of days. So my boy is helping me out. Remind me of those fucking sway bar end links I installed on Zach's car, and they broke off. Yeah, I'm gonna tighten it more once it's on the car. Man, those toe arms are fucking lit though. I like them shits. Alright.
Yeah, that's the one that rolled.
This one?
No, the one you picked up, that was further.
as you can see, toe arms, camber arms, toe arm, camber arms. So next video will probably be taking this to get aligned, doing some test passes on the street, and then taking it to the track. Next project I'm going to be doing with this is the diff bushing. So I'll probably drop diff, do the bushings, put some new fluid, reseal the differential, because as you can see, it looks like it's leaking. Shout out to Belt Raceworks for the diff brace. But yeah, so I'm gonna close out this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.